Dear Jörg, thank you for coming today to RFS. The first question that we ask to all our guests is, what do you love about your job?
What I love about my job, there are many different reasons. And one reason, and the most important for me, is I love to work with my team. We're a very small group of dedicated people working in the different areas right now to launch Neon. And that's a very nice spirit, and really enjoy working with them, and we're having a good time while hard working. Another reason might be, and this is quite far away from the first reason, is that I believe with Neon we have the chance really to change the structure of the Swiss market for retail banking. What I mean is, you see in other countries that over quite a period of time, maybe 10 years and more, new challenges really can change the structure and make the product better, make it more efficient, and this is something I'm also thrilled by.
As you're saying, the Swiss market is changing rapidly. We know that N26 will enter the market soon. Revolut is already here. What sets Neon apart from its competitors?
Yes. Neon is a Swiss company. We are based here in Zurich. We are focusing on Switzerland and the needs of the Swiss client. For instance, we provide all the Swiss specific for payments, for instance, Rote Einzahlungsschein, the red payment slip, or e-bills, or all that other stuff. This is something you cannot get from N26 or Revolut. Our clients will have a Swiss IBAN. I think N26 is not going to provide a Swiss IBAN on the Swiss market. So we also want to focus on Switzerland. So that's our home country, and that's where we're coming from. And therefore, this is the reason, or the rationale how we differentiate from these competitors. If you look at other competitors, not N26, Revolut, but maybe the existing Swiss banks, I think the incumbent players, they are right now not totally focused on mobile banking only. Therefore, I expect not much of movement on their side. As a third group, we have maybe other banks, other companies having more or less sharing same ideas. They're lagging a little bit behind, and this is our opportunity to always to be the fastest of this group and to focus on the Swiss market.
And what are your plans for the future?
For the future, of course, right now we're focusing to bring Neon to the market. Right now we're in the beta phase. After that, we probably need to enhance the app a little bit, and also the card product, and also to round up the Swissness of our app. Right now we support all Swiss payment functionality. However, there are some products specific to the Swiss market, for instance, Säule 3a, which you only would need in Switzerland. After that, we are open in terms of the product roadmap for these to integrate maybe different products you typically do not expect in a banking context. Other ideas could be to provide better services, that the client really get a better understanding where he spends his money and where he could maybe save some money. These are ideas we have, but of course we will always challenge our ideas and our roadmap with our clients and see if it works for them or not. In the very long run, I believe Neon we will always focus on the client front end, and we will always have the idea not to make everything by our own, but rather to work with partners, maybe also sometimes to change partners if one partner becomes, there's a new partner in the market which is attractive, and this is how we see the future for Neon.
And our last question is, how do you see the retail banking market industry in Switzerland in, let's say, 5 years?
The retail banking in Switzerland is some large animal. I don't expect too many changes within a rather short period for the banking industry of 5 years. When you look in other countries, it takes more than 10, 15 years. And Swiss retail banking right now is, the banks do not really focus on the retail sector only. It's more attractive for them to be in the private banking or in asset management, all that kind of stuff, where also the Swiss banking industry is known for and has a very good reputation for that. But the pure retail market with Postfinance and maybe the ZKBs and all that stuff, Kantonalbanken, there is limited focus from the banking side, and that's something we definitely want to change.
Thank you, Jörg, for your time.
Thank you very much for